If you're struggling with your FPS and League, then this video is the right one for you. First of all, head to the temp file. In the temp file, you're gonna choose everything and delete it. Click on skip for everything that doesn't want to be deleted, as that's just current information being processed. That's the first step to actually clear your temp file. Then you can actually close your client during the game. Click on always. Also in your gameplay, you're gonna change some settings when it comes to the interface. Now that I'm back to League right here, as you can see, I'm gonna click on the full screen. I'm gonna actually make it borderless. As you can see right here, as I said, make sure that it's either windowed or full screen. Don't even make it borderless for the, automatically tab. Character quality, very low, very low, very low. Everything is low or off is possible. You can also control the colors and stuff, but I really don't suggest you. That's basically it for the tips. Hope you enjoyed, and goodbye.